4 important organizing strategies by room. Welcome to our Fastklean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Keeping your home clean and organized at all times is an important aspect of household chores. Without addressing clutter, there is no way to actually clean effectively, since it will get in your way and render your efforts ineffective. Staying on top of your organizational tasks can make all of your day-to-day activities more convenient. Organization itself doesn't need to be a strenuous activity, nor does it need to occupy your entire weekend. It is mostly a case of doing little at a time and tackling one room before the other. Here is how you can create a fresh and relaxing environment in the most used rooms of your home. First is the kitchen. Sometimes the kitchen can become a cluttered space, which limits your cooking efforts and makes it so you don't really feel comfortable there. The first thing you need to know is the general places you have to declutter: the refrigerator and cupboards. Check the expiry dates of everything and toss out any expired food. You can pick up cardboard and other packaging to recycle. Place your most frequently used items within easy reach. If there is not enough storage, you need to acquire more shelves, cupboards, drawers, or you need to downsize. Keep small appliances that aren't frequently used somewhere else, not on counters where they create clutter. Second is the bathroom. Check out your medicine cabinet for expired medicines. They are not only ineffective, but also dangerous to use after that. Implement enough storage solutions for all of your toiletries, towels and cosmetics. The less things lying around, the more organized and welcoming the place will be. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know, and please subscribe to our channel to be updated with our new Fastklean videos. Third one is the living room. Take a look around to see if there is anything that doesn't belong in the living room. Oftentimes you and your children might bring items that have no business there. If you have a lot of books and magazines, perhaps it is wise to consider right book shelving. Decorative baskets and floating shelves make a great visual appeal solution, which can be put out in display. Vacuuming the room often enough is a nice way to make the place feel fresh and beautiful. Fourth, the children's rooms. Undoubtedly, the most important feature of these rooms is storage. You need plastic boxes, pockets and whatever else you can think of to keep toys and other belongings of your children nicely tucked away. It is best to establish a system. For example, you can keep similar items packed together, or the same type of toys together. It is also wise to teach your children to pick up their toys and put them away after they play. That way they will learn to keep their room tidy and organized. Staying on top of your organizing duties at home can not only make your home cleaning easy, but also provide you with a comfortable environment to reside in. It takes a bit of a systematic approach, but it is nothing that will give you trouble, as long as you set your mind to it. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out 7 rules of cleaning that you should live by. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Check the description below to see our favorite products. Visit our website fastklean.co.uk for more ideas. Also, we would like to invite you to join our online seminars to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Choose your date in the description below.